General Constantino Gouveia Dominic Nyikadzino Chiwenga survives a profound reason. The end of destiny is upon him. Sanabira mashikobira pangu anachipreza VP Constantino Chiwenga achiti VP Constantino Chiwenga despite my attacks anenge achireceiva year by year, term by term, panguva ine zvinonzi he survived for a purpose. Zanabira mashikobira nyiko panguva ine. Don't was subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. I remember vividly the words spoken by his late uncle Nyikadzino Chiwenga before he passed on. He got the general close and bestowed upon him the sacred name Nyikadzino Chiwenga and declared with the authority of the ancestors, "You will not die before you liberate this country." Those words were not empty. They were a prophecy, a covenant, and a burden that General Chiwenga carries to this day. Operation Restore Legacy is not over until it is over. The mission that began in 2017 to rescue the nation from decline and restore the true spirit of the liberation struggle remains alive. It poses in the heart of every true patriot. The general was spared for this purpose. The bullets of assassination could not touch him. The sickness that struck him after we removed Mugabe could not reclaim him. I was there when we sat with the late President Mugabe on his deathbed. We showed him the pictures of General Chiwenga lying critically ill in hospital. Tears flowed from Mugabe's eyes. In that moment of reflection, the old man himself admitted, General Chiwenga will not die. He has a lot to do for the country. Even in his final hours, Comrade Mugabe recognized the truth that General's work for Zimbabwe was not yet finished. Let no one deceive themselves. The general walks in the earth today by divine and ancestral protection. He carries the unfinished business of the nation of his shoulders. Zimbabwe's full restoration is the true liberation and the completion of the legacy of our fallen heroes still lie ahead. We salute you, General Constantino Gouveia Dominic Nyikadzino Chiwenga. The struggle continues. Operation Restore Legacy, forward ever, backwards never. Alute continua. Retired Lieutenant General Winston Skoke Mapuranga. Tomba developments are pangwa ine. Pinango message meduza on pamusoro pe this message. Pinango message meduza subscribe or like. Put on the bell icon.